This is the Brookfield Rec Soccer Coaches video. In this video, we're going to cover several topics, including proper footwork, soccer footwork. We'll cover moves and proper shooting technique. We're going to cover tight dribbling in tight spaces, using all parts of your foot. We're going to cover speed dribbling, proper technique when dribbling, and we're also going to cover juggling. We hope you enjoyed the video. This is the Brookfield Rec Soccer Basics. In this video, the topics we are covering is done in circuit style training, which means 3 minutes at a certain circuit, 45 seconds rest in between, and then they're on to the next circuit. This is the square. You're asking the kids to shuffle, to run, to backpedal, always facing the same direction. Sprinting to get out, shuffling across, not crossing your feet, and then backpedaling, peeking over your shoulder, looking where you're running. Step 2 of the drill. Each player starts at a different cone, running clockwise around their next cone, touching the center cone, then backpedaling around the cone where they came from, and then on to the next cone. As you can see, the players are running at about 70%, just getting used to the drill, but with repetition, they can start to increase their speed.
Go ahead.
The next drill, we ask the players to do a step over or a scissors, and then use proper shooting technique using the laces to strike the ball at the goal. Again, there's no pressure put on the players. It's at their leisure, but we want to make sure that everything's done with speed.
All right, go ahead. Beautiful.
In this drill, players are asked to dribble up to the first set of cones, turn, play it back to their teammates who follow suit. The second step of the drill, after everybody goes, the first player in line will go to the first step or repeat the first step, pass it back to their teammate, as you see here, and then go retrieve the ball, then go up to the second set of cones. Everybody would repeat from there. You can focus on turning with the ball using all parts of your foot, even the bottom of your foot, as seen right there.
So now you go to the first.
This is tight dribbling in the diamond. Players were asked to dribble up to the first cone, go around, knock it to their teammate who repeats. The second time through, players were asked to go to the first cone again, repeating step 1, go around the starting cone, and then go up to the second cone. In step 3, they repeat steps 1 and 2, and then go up to the final cone, which is in this case is a flag. Players are using all parts of their feet to dribble, inside, outside, bottom of their foot. You can even make different rules where they can only use just the outside. In this drill, we're asking the players to speed dribble. When speed dribbling, it's important that players push the ball in front of them, limiting their touches, but when they have to turn and get to the next flag, it's important that they slow down, keeping the ball close to them, taking smaller, tight touches.
Colton, you can go.
In this drill, players were asked to dribble up however they wanted in the first set of cones or the first line.
Soft touches.
In the second line, they're asked to play it forward and then across, forward and across.
Up and across. Up and across.
Practice makes perfect. Repetition will improve their technical ability. Continue to work on this, stress this stuff. It's important. The more touches they take, the more confident they're going to be.
No.
And with juggling, this is the juggling clock. Players were asked to start at 1, only using their foot, and they have to catch the ball to move on to 2. This might be very difficult for players that don't practice juggling. Get them practicing juggling. It helps with their technical ability, their first touch on the ball. Thanks very much for watching.